Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I am someone who has always struggled to fall asleep, stay asleep, and get a good restful night's sleep. So I was immediately drawn to this company, FullEight, and this magnesium butter that is designed to help you get your full 8 restful sleep. This magnesium butter is designed to be rubbed on your feet and legs to help them relax and to help you relax so you can get that good restful sleep. The ingredients are so clean and natural. It is made with coconut oil, beeswax, kokum, lavender, peppermint, jojoba oil, and this product really does work. I have been using it at night before I fall asleep, and it has helped my twitchy, jumpy legs to be calm, which has really aided in me getting a good restful night's sleep. I really appreciate this company's mission and how they really just want to help people get that rest. So if you have been looking for something to add more magnesium into your body or to help you get that nice restful sleep, then definitely give this magnesium butter from FullEight a try. I highly recommend it. I think it is a great product, and that is my point of view.